Hello everybody and welcome to Resource One TV. This is Deb. Today we're taking a look at our 2012 Honda Odyssey minivan, and specifically with regards to these accessory power sockets down here. These power sockets are designed to supply power for 12-volt DC accessories that are rated 120 watts or less, or 10 amps. And what we typically use them for is when we go on vacation, our kids each have their own DVD players that have their chargers here. And so as you go to plug them in here, you'll see the charger lights up on the bottom one. But as we try the upper unit, we have no power there. So today we're going to fix that. And to fix this, we are going to change out the fuse for these two accessory power sockets. So won't you join me today as we do this? Okay, right now we are in the passenger side front door. We have to access this panel down here. You just need to unclick this clamp here. It's a little booger there. There we go. You'll see on the inside here, it lists all the different fuses that are needed. And as you look down here, it says for the front accessory socket, it's 27, number's 27, and it's a 15 amp fuse. So if we go over here and look, you'll see there is number 27, 15 amp. So now we are going to take that old one out and replace it with the new one. So going back to the driver's side front door, we need to go ahead and open the hood for the engine. So we'll pull that, release it, and go over to the engine. We'll be back in just a second. I just went ahead and put the bar up to hold the lid up on the car, and you'll see back here is this black box. It's kind of near where you fill the windshield wiper fluid. There's these two little tabs on the front of each box here, and we just want to push those in and lift up. A little dirty here, excuse that. Basically, here's the fuses for the car, and the Honda is so nice. On the bottom side of the lid, they actually provide you with extra fuses. Okay, and then going through on the passenger side to check which fuse we needed to replace for those accessory plugs, we know that we need the blue 15 fuse. And to remove it, actually Honda also provided this white little clip here. We just pop that out. There we go. This helps you to grab the fuses out and to put them back in. So we can go ahead and take this one out. There we go. Got it. All right. And we'll go install it now. Okay, so right now we're going to go ahead and remove the old fuse number 15 and slot number 27. You can see it's written 27 right here in the gray plastic area. We take the handy dandy clips that Honda provided, get in there and grab it out. There we go. We've got the old one right there. So set that aside. All right, we got the new 15 amp one. So we're going to slide that in there. Hear the click, and it is in place. So now it's time to go test it out, make sure we're back in business. All right, we're back now to test and make sure that the new fuse is working properly. And I have the kids' DVD charger here. So we knew the bottom one had been working. Let's just confirm that, which it did. The light came on, so that's good. We have power. Top one, the light would never come on, meaning it didn't have any power. So let's try now. Awesome! It worked! That's so awesome. What a quick and easy fix to do today. And you know, it didn't really take much time at all, and there was no cost involved because Honda supplies those extra fuses. So I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Please make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. I really do appreciate it. And stay tuned for further videos. Bye!